Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: calculating percentages. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about math, understanding percentages is essential in various fields. So, in this video, we'll provide you with a detailed guide on how to calculate percentages, complete with formulas and examples. Before we begin, let's clarify what a percentage is. Essentially, a percentage is a fraction or a ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is commonly denoted by the symbol %. Percentages are used to compare parts of a whole, represent proportions, and express relative values. Let's start with a basic concept: finding a percentage of a given number. The formula for this is straightforward: percentage times number divided by 100. Let's illustrate this with an example. Suppose you have a total of 500 apples, and you want to find out what 25% of that number is. You simply multiply 500 by 25 and divide the result by 100. So, 25% of 500 is 125 apples. Easy, right? Moving on, let's discuss finding the percentage increase or decrease. This is particularly useful when analyzing changes in data or calculating discounts. The formula for finding the percentage increase or decrease is: to understand this better, let's consider an example. Imagine you bought a smartphone for $500 and its price increased to $600. To find the percentage increase, you subtract the old value from the new value, divide it by the old value, and multiply the result by 100. The result shows that the price increased by 20%. Now, let's explore the concept of reverse percentages. This involves finding the original value when the percentage increase or decrease is given. To do this, we use the formula. Let's put this formula into action with an example. Suppose a shirt is on sale for 40% off its original price, and the sale price is $30. To find the original price, you divide the sale price by 1 plus 40 divided by 100. After evaluating the expression, we find that the original price of the shirt was $50. Now that we've covered the basics of percentage calculations, it's important to mention that percentages can be used in various contexts, such as finance, statistics, and even everyday life situations. Having a strong grasp of percentages will undoubtedly improve your problem-solving skills. We hope this detailed guide on how to calculate percentages has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.